Here we're going to look at a couple of past paper questions that my students have found difficult, and you can see the scope of the wrong answers that they have given. Anyway, we want to turn the square root of a to the 7 in the form of k times the square root of a. So you just want one lot of square root of a on its own, and then k should be able to be written as a to the n. All right, so let's just see what we can do with that. So let's get root a to the 7. Now root a is a to the half to the power of 7, and therefore we times these together, we get a to the 7 over 2. Now what we can do to get one root a on its own is realize this is just the same as a to the 6 over 2 times by a to the half, because a to the half is the square root of a. And what happens is you add these indices to give you this. So therefore, if we want to take a to the half out, we take it off that 7 over 2 to give us 6 over 2, which is effectively 3. So we get a cubed, and this is just the square root of a. So therefore, our a to the n, so a to the n must equal a cubed, so n must equal 3. Moving on to our next question. We got root 3a to the 4 times 1 over a can be written in the form of a to the n. So we're just going to combine all the powers here. So let's just write them out. Root 3a to the 4 times by 1 over a. So root 3 is to the power of a third. So we've got a to the 4 to the power of a third here. And this is 1 over a, which is a to the minus 1. Okay. Multiply these two because we've got power of a power. So we multiply 4 times 1/3 is a to the 4/3 times by a to the minus 1. And then we can just add these indices together. So 4/3 minus 1 is just going to be a to the 1/3. So we can write it in form of a to the n. So what's the value of n? N must equal 1/3, because if you've got a to the n equals 1/3, so the n must equal the third because the a's are accounted for. And that's how we do these two tricky indices questions.